Good morning, fourth graders. How are you today? I hope you're fine, taking care at home with your families. In today's science lesson, we will think about our actions. We all know that our actions have consequences or impact. For example, if I attend or assist to all of my lessons, then I will understand better and I will have great results. Or if I practice sports 3 times a week, I will get stronger. Well, the same happens with our ecosystem. So, today's Walt, that will be here, will be to identify the impact of human actions in the ecosystem. So, maybe there, so you can look better. Okay, let's think about what's happening nowadays. Due to the coronavirus, we are all in our houses. So there are less cars in the street. Less industries are working. So the big cities like Santiago, for example, have seen a big diminution in the air pollution. This has had a positive impact in our ecosystem. So as we mentioned before, there are actions that we do in our daily life that have a positive impact in our ecosystem. We will place them here in yellow. So, let's start by using less cars. That's one. Another one can be to pick up the trash that we can find in the park or at the beach. A third one would be to plant trees. A fourth example can be to recycle our trash or to reduce it. And last but not least, reuse. But unfortunately, on the other hand, it is very important to know that our actions can also have a negative impact on our ecosystem. We're going to place them here in orange. One of these negative impacts can be deforestation. I know that these are new words, but don't worry, we're gonna go through. Another one may be the use of plastic. A third one, pollution. A fourth one, the overexploitation of natural resources. Number 5, overhunting. I'll place it here. And last but not least, oil spills. So today we will just talk in detail about 2 examples of negative impacts. So let's start talking about pollution. What is it? Pollution happens when the environment is contaminated or dirtied by waste and other substances. There are 3 forms of pollution: in the air, in the water, or in the land. This pollution can be clearly seen or sometimes is difficult to observe. And what about the use of plastic? Why could this action have a negative impact? Well, as we all know, plastic things last for a long time. Plastic can be very useful for people, but it's one of the biggest problems for the environment. This is because most plastics last forever. Unfortunately, many marine animals by mistake eat some types of plastic instead of food. For example, turtles often die because the plastic they eat blocks their stomach, or some other marine mammals like dolphins get trapped in plastic nets. As you could see, these negative impacts are damaging our ecosystem. I want to invite you to go to your Google Classroom. There you will find a booklet about human impact and also a PowerPoint with some questions. Please open the PowerPoint of the booklet, read information, then you open the PowerPoint with the questions and you answer them. Remember to write complete sentences, use capital letters, full stop, and when you are done, click on Entregar tarea. Thank you. Have an amazing day. Bye bye.